Berkeley chef. I'm Jana here. Today I make a fabulous, nutritious, delicious soup here with yellow split peas and corn and amaranth grain, which is very high in protein. This is very easy to make, and you can make it and freeze it up in a container, and you can take it out on the school day or work day and you throw it out and your soup is ready for you. So stay tuned for the rest of the video.
A Berkeley chef interruption.
Hi, I'm Caleb. Is your child struggling to learn how to read? Well, I was like that too. When I was younger, I was struggling to read until I found some easy reader books that helped me learn to read. It was just so much fun reading them. When I grew up, I created these books to help other children like your child learn how to read too. So we'll take one book for an example here. We take this one, Roll the Ball. It's a fun book to read. Well, I created it, so. So when we open this book, it is printed in color with hand-drawn pictures drawn by either me or my brother Elisha. It also has big, easy words to help your child learn how to read. Plus, that's right, there's more. There's puzzles at the end to help your child with their memory skills. So make sure to grab all of these 5 books here on Amazon.com or Amazon.ca, or scan this QR code here to take you to the book. Thank you for your support. Bye!
Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and come back for a delicious, yummy recipe.